All right, the next bit of information we'll go over here is our lab safety rules for CTE classes. And so most of our work for engineering will be done in our classroom. On occasion, we might use the lab to do to work on some projects or to learn some different tools or equipment. And so these are the rules that we will have for the lab. Again, it won't be utilized often in engineering, but there could be occasions where we do use the lab. And so these are our kind of safety rules. So you'll want to make sure you read through those. We also have some safety violations. So if you do have a safety violation, there are some protocol and procedures for how that will be taken care of. So you'll want to make sure you read through that. When you're finished with that, you can go ahead and look at our pledge form. And so this is our CTE pledge that we have students sign who are going to use lab spaces. You'll want to make sure you take the copy that I gave to you, get it signed by a parent or guardian, and go ahead and sign that and return it to me. All right. And so that's our safety information for CTE classes.